Dear students, we are in the topic of complex numbers objective. In this topic, in previous two classes we have discussed about synopsis. Of course, in above two classes also we will discuss synopsis only. So this is somewhat lengthy and depth topic. Example 4 we have completed regarding minimum maximum values or extreme values using critical points of the complex number we have discussed. So depends upon this one, let us going to discuss today the Schwarz inequality. Schwarz inequality. Schwarz inequalities. If Z1 comma Z2 are two complex numbers, if Z1 comma Z2 are two complex numbers, then among them, first rule, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 lesser than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. We have seen such form name vectors. Of course, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to also like not is equal to. Lesser than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus of modulus of minus Z2. That means modulus of Z1 minus Z2 lesser than or equal to also modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Second one, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus so on Zn lesser than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 plus modulus of Z3 plus so on modulus of Zn. Third one, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 over modulus. So this is modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. Or someone used to say like this, modulus of mod of Z1 minus mod of Z2 less than or equal to total modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Depends upon this one, you don't think that one, this and this is same. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is also less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. This is another formula. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2 is wrong. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus of modulus of Z2 is right. And next fourth formula let us discuss. To calculate the range or minimum maximum values of the modulus of Z plus 1 by Z value. If modulus of Z plus 1 by Z is equal to A, then A minus root of A square plus 4 whole by 2 less than or equal to modulus of Z less than or equal to A plus root of A square plus 4 whole by 2. Let us prove this question. Some problems are there, depends upon these formulae. Now consider modulus of Z. that is equal to, write like this, modulus of z plus 1 by z minus of 1 by z. This, you take this formula, modulus of z1 minus z2 is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z. This is lesser than or equal to, you can write like this, not z, modulus of z plus 1 by z plus modulus of like this minus 1 by z. So we have considered here modulus z. Now you can write modulus z less than or equal to modulus of z plus 1 by z is a. A plus, you can write this one as 1 by mod z. That implies, taking LCM, you can write modulus of z square minus a mod z, modulus of z square minus a mod z less than or equal to 1. Okay, that implies, now we can understand here modulus of z square minus 2 into modulus of minus 2 into mod z into, like this I am writing, mod z into 2 into a by 2. What is happening? We are writing the value in the form of a minus b whole square. So modulus of z square minus z into 2 into a by 2 plus a by 2 whole square lesser than or equal to 1 plus a by 2 whole square. So that meaning, added a by 2 whole square both sides. That implies, this is modulus of z minus a by 2 whole square. Modulus of z minus a by 2 whole square less than or equal to 1 plus a square by 4. So modulus of z minus a by 2 whole square is equal to, take an LCM, 4 plus a square by 4. This is whole square. 4 plus whole by 4. 4 plus a square whole by 4. If you need, you can write z minus a by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus 4 whole by 4. So minus a by 2 taken this side. No, not is equal. This is lesser than equal to. Lesser than equal to. That concept you can understand. Modulus z belonging to, modulus z belonging to, write like this, a by 2 plus or minus root of a square plus 4 by 4. It is 2. So now we can say that belonging to, whenever modulus z less than 1, you can say minus 1 less than mod z less than 1. So in the similar way, you can write here minus of minus z like this. Okay, minus a by 2, not a by 2. Formula minus a plus or minus, simply you are taking minus. So like this, correct. Minus a. Here it is okay. Next one, plus only take. So that implies, we can say here minus a plus root of a square plus 4 whole by 2 less than or equal to modulus of z less than or equal to a plus root of a square plus 4 whole by 2. This is a property of modulus of z of a complex number. The prop that implies, therefore I am writing the property of this complex number using this one. Minus a. Just I am making you to remember the formula modulus z less than or equal to 1, that implies minus 1 less than or equal to modulus of z less than or equal to 1, or minus 1 less than simply z less than or equal to 1. Depends upon, of course, for modulus of for complex number, modulus he indicated as minus a plus root of a square plus 4 by 2 less than or equal to modulus of z less than or equal to a plus root of a square plus 4 whole by 2. This is the theorem. Depends upon this one. Another formula is there. Let us see the formula. This is fourth formula. Squat G equal to fifth formula. If modulus of z minus a by z is equal to k, then greatest value of mod z is root of k square plus 4a plus k whole by 2. If you remember this formula, you can write the formula directly. If you forget this formula, you should do the procedure. I say example also. Modulus of z minus a by 2 is equal to k. This is given. Consider mod z. Simply add like this. Modulus of z minus a by 2 plus a lesser than or equal to modulus of z minus a by 2 plus a by 2, like this. That implies mod z lesser than or equal to mod z minus a by 2 value k plus a by 2. Not like this. Z minus, it's okay. So mod z less than or equal to 2k plus a. Mod of in the similar way, in the previous way we need to calculate z minus a by z we calculated there. Now not 2, this is also z. So it is wrong. Not 2. Mod z is equal to, considering like this, modulus of z minus a by z plus a by z. This is also z. This is less than or equal to modulus of z minus a by z plus a by mod z, or modulus of a by z. Now, the value we have considered modulus z less than or equal to this modulus of z minus a by z is equal to k. So it is k plus a by z. That implies, taking LCM, you can write modulus of z square minus kz lesser than or equal to simply a. Modulus of z square minus k modulus z. Modulus of z square minus k into modulus of z into 2 by 2 we can write. Into 2 by 2. So for k by 2 I am writing k square by 4 lesser than or equal to a plus k square by 4. That implies this is of the form z minus k by 2 whole square lesser than or equal to 4a plus k square whole by 4. So z minus k by 2 whole square, you take like positive square root of k square plus 4a by 4. K square plus 4a by 4. So max value means plus, min value means minus. So max value is max value of z mod z. Maximum value of mod z is equal to k by 2 plus root of k square plus 4a whole by 2, or like this, k square plus 4a over root plus k whole by 2 is the maximum. Minimum value this side minus. In the same fourth formula, we have done fifth formula also. Next, let us discuss example 6th, that example 5 and 6. Another sixth formula is there for squat Gini equality model. The minimum value of the minimum value of modulus of z minus a plus modulus of z minus b is minimum value of modulus of z minus a plus modulus of z minus b is equal to a minus b. This is the theorem, depends upon ellipse PA plus PB is equal to constant model. So minimum value a minus b I think have learnt in locus chapter in first year. Next, depends upon this one, let us going to discuss about worked example. Worked example 5 comma worked example 6. Worked example 5. Modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to 3. Max value of z plus 4. Max value of modulus of z plus 4. Modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to 3 is given value. Now, you need to convert the given modulus into the form of the value which is required. Given modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to 3. Consider this one, you consider modulus of z plus 4. You can write this one as modulus of z plus 4 can be written as modulus of this one z minus 1 plus 5. No, minus, it is minus 3 like this. By its quadratic equality, modulus z1 minus z2 like this. Less than or equal to, you can understand modulus of z1 plus z2. So what is modulus of z1 here? Z minus 1 plus of minus 3, of course 3, right? So that is equal to, here we have considered z plus 4, modulus of z plus 4, value here is 3. So it is 3 plus 3, that is equal to lesser than or equal to 6. 6 is the greatest value or large value or maximum value. We got only 8, z plus 4, z minus 1 we need. So plus 4. Keep aside. Simply change the question. Now find modulus max value of. Change the question. So modulus of z plus 4 also I am saying. Find max value of modulus of z plus 4. So you can write this one as modulus of z minus 1 plus 5. So it is lesser than or equal to modulus of z minus 1 plus 5. So what is the value of modulus of z minus 1? It is 3. So this is 3 plus 5. So the total value lesser than or equal to 8. So maximum value of modulus z plus 4 is 8 whenever modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 3. Lesser than or equal to 3. Now worked example 6. If modulus of z1 minus 1 less than 1, modulus of z2 minus 2 good, less than 2, modulus of z3 minus 3 less than 3, modulus of z1 minus 1 less than 1, modulus of z2 minus 2 less than 2, like this. Modulus of z1 minus 1 less than or equal to 1, modulus of z2 minus 2 less than or equal to 2, modulus of z3 minus 3 less than or equal to 3. So the maximum values of modulus of z1 minus 1 is 1 and modulus of z2 minus 2 is 2 and modulus of z3 minus 3 is 3. We need to calculate, then find Then what is the value of modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3? Now, observing this one, we can write, if minus 1 take only simple numbers, so Z1 minus 1, so Z1 less than or equal to 2, minus 1 taken like this. Of course, we can write that modulus of Z1 minus 1 less than or equal to 1, next modulus of Z1 minus 1 lesser than or equal to 2, lesser than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus 1 less than or equal to 1. So minus 1, if we take this one as modulus of Z1 scheme, then it is simply 0. So keeping aside, he is discussing with us that modulus of Z1 minus 1 less than 1, the value is 0 less than modulus of Z1 less than 2. If we take this one left side, so it is becoming modulus of Z minus 2 less than or equal to 4. If we take this one modulus of Z3, directly we can write modulus of Z1 minus 1, take that side. So by using modulus of Z1 minus Z2 concept, we calculate modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. So 2 greater than or equal to modulus 2, the value modulus of Z minus 1 greater than or equal to simply modulus of Z minus separate modulus of 1, that minus 1 taken this side becomes 2. Using the formula modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to mod Z1 minus mod Z2. Write the formula. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to separate modulus of Z1 minus separate modulus of Z2. So 1 greater than or equal to separately write modulus of Z1 minus 1. So 2 greater than or equal to Z1. Therefore, now you can write this one as modulus of Z1 less than or equal to 2. Similarly, you can write modulus of Z2 less than or equal to 4. Okay. Next, modulus of Z3 less than or equal to 6. Adding all, adding above. What is happening? Adding above. Here for everywhere 2, 4, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So adding above, we can get modulus of Z1 plus, modulus of Z1 plus, modulus of Z2 plus, modulus of Z3, we are getting the value 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6. We know that squad G equality formula mod Z1 plus mod Z2 plus mod Z3 plus so on mod Zn less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2 plus mod Z3 plus so on until mod Zn. So mod Z1 plus mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 less than or equal to like this. Modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 plus modulus of Z3. Modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 plus modulus of Z3. So that implies modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Therefore, you can write modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Completely it is less than or equal to 12. 12 is the answer. Maximum value is 12. Now let us discuss some examples. That is in level 1 classwork, homework, level 2 classwork like that. Some problems are there. Whatever the concepts we have discussed now depends upon this concept. Let us discuss some examples. CUQ, 12th question, level 1 classwork, 21, 22, 23, 24. And level 1 homework 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And level 2 classwork level 2 classwork 10, 11, 12. Level 1 homework 24 is another model. Of course, you can say the question. And level 1 classwork also 23. Okay. Let us discuss these questions. CUQ means theory bits. Theory bits 12. CUQ 12. Minimum value of modulus of z plus modulus of z minus 1. You need to calculate the critical points. Critical points equal to 0, 1. If you put this equal to 0 separately, this equal to 0 separately, you can get the values. Whatever the value you are getting is said to be critical points. Substitute the critical points. Let this is f of z. It is a function with a complex number z. Substitute here. Get here 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. If you substitute f of 1, of course, it is also. So minimum value is 1. Only it is having minimum value. Minimum value equal to 1. Now level 1 classwork. Level 1 classwork 21st question. The minimum value of modulus of z plus modulus of z minus 1 plus modulus of z minus 2. Modulus of z plus modulus of z minus 1 plus modulus of z minus 2. Now critical points. Critical points equal to 0, 1, 2. This is f of z. For this f of z, critical points are 0, 1, 2. Substitute here 0. It becomes 0 plus 1 plus 2. You should not consider as minus 2. Plus only you should consider. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 becomes 3. And f of 1, substitute f of 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 2 becomes 1 and 1. So it is 2. And f of 2, so this is 2 plus 2 minus 1, so it is 2 plus 1, 3. He is asking minimum value, so minimum value is equal to, if he is asking maximum value, it is 3. Minimum value is equal to 2. 22nd bit. Modulus of z plus 2i less than or equal to 2. Modulus of z plus 2i. Modulus of z plus 2i less than or equal to 2. Then greatest value. Maximum value. Greatest value of z modulus of z minus root 3 plus I. Depends upon this given condition, you should calculate this value. Now, given modulus of z plus 2y less than or equal to 2, you need to convert this one as z plus, like this you should write z plus I, keep x I, z minus root 3 plus I, like this you should write z plus I lesser than equal to 2. Next, z plus Now you write z plus I minus root 3. Z plus I minus root 3. So what is going on? Simply adding and subtracting. Plus I separately weight over modulus. This whole modulus less than or equal to 2. So given condition, given value converting into the required value. Now write like this. Modulus of z minus root 3 plus I, you should calculate. Write like this. Modulus of z minus of root 3 minus I. Modulus of z minus of root 3 minus I. So this one. Minus of root 3 minus I. Plus this is separately write and put a bracket here and another bracket plus root 3 plus I. Root 3 plus I over modulus less than or equal to 2. So this is according to Schwarz inequality modulus of z minus root 3 plus I. So we need to convert this one. We need to convert into required value. It is not right. Now consider the value we don't know. That is not right like this. Consider modulus of z minus root 3 plus I. So that is equal to modulus of z minus root 3 plus I minus I, like this. Z minus root 3 plus I minus I. So keep an adder on line. Now z plus right like this. Z plus 2I. Z plus 2I, put a bracket. Minus of root 3 plus I. Use this formula. Lesser than or equal to modulus of z plus 2I. Modulus of plus. Whenever plus you are using, simply you can write directly modulus of root 3 plus I. Otherwise, you can use the formula modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to modulus of z1 minus modulus. Let us try in this method. Less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2I given as 2. Plus this modulus, of course, root of component square plus component square. Root of 3 plus 1, 4. Root, that is 2. So lesser than or equal to 4. So greatest value answer 4. Greatest value is equal to 4. Fourth option. Second completed. Let us discuss 23rd. Modulus of z minus 4 by z. Modulus of z minus 4 by z equal to 2. Then max value of mod z. These are mains and mset both bits. Anywhere you can face this type of questions. First of all, I will say the model, the method. Later we can use the formula. Modulus of z minus 4 by z. Consider, now I am writing, consider modulus of z is equal to like this. Modulus of z minus 4 by z plus 4 by z. So what happened? Simply added and subtracted 4 by z. This is by Schwarz inequality. You can write modulus of z minus 4 by mod 4 by z plus 4 by z, like this. That implies we have considered the value modulus of z lesser than or equal to this is 2. Modulus of z minus 4 by z value 2. 2 plus 4 by mod z. That implies by writing like this z square minus 2 mod z. This is 2. Z square minus 2 mod z lesser than or equal to 4. And the next step, modulus of z square minus 2 mod z plus 1 lesser than or equal to 5. That implies you can write this one as z minus 1 whole square lesser than or equal to 5. So modulus of z minus 1 is less than or equal to root 5. Separate if you are taking minus 1 that side. So z less than or equal to root 5 plus 1. Root 5 plus 1 is maximum value. Is max value. If you are getting min value, it is minus 1 plus root 5. That is root 5 minus 1. Formula. Using today fifth formula, we can use here root of k square plus 4a. Root of k square plus 4a plus k whole by 2. K is equal to how much? 2. A is equal to 4. Using the formula, note, synopsis formula is there, page number 5. Z minus a by z is equal to k, then greatest value of mod z is root of k square plus 4a plus k whole by 2. Root of k square plus 4a plus k whole by 2. Use here, what is k square? 4 plus 4, 4 is 16. 4 into a plus k, the value k means 2 by 2. This is 4 plus 16 means 20. 20 root means 2 root 5. 2 root 5 plus 2 by 2. 2 taken common, it becomes root 5 plus 1. This is the formula. If you did not remember the formula, you can better use the process. It is right. Next, 24th question. Fourth question. If modulus of z1 minus 1 less than 2, modulus of z2 minus 2 less than 1, then he is asking about question. Modulus of z1 plus z2. Consider modulus of z1 plus z2. This can be written as modulus of z1 minus 1 beside plus 1. Write in the, as a square bracket, put a group. z2 minus 2 and plus 2. This is a group. This you can write as, this is lesser than or equal to modulus of z1 minus 1 plus, of course, separate mod 1 only, plus modulus of z2 minus 2 plus separate 2. So that implies what we have considered, modulus of z1 plus z2. Modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 minus 1 is given as 2 plus 1 plus this is 1 plus 2. So it is less than or equal to 6. So maximum value less than 6. 24th one. Yeah. The value therefore modulus of z1 plus z2. Modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to 6. Now level 1 homework. Level 1 homework 20. So depends upon the critical points concept. I am going to discuss with you according to model. The sum number level 1 homework 20, 21, 22, 23 until 25. Page number 41 is there. Page number 42 in our material 20 to 25. Page 42. Level 1 homework 20th bit. Modulus of z minus z is equal. So it is separate model. Okay, let us discuss. Modulus of z is equal to, not easy. Modulus of z minus z is equal to 1 plus 2i. So that implies what is the value of z? By verification only it is possible because it is depends upon square root of complex number, I mean modulus of z, and simple complex number. So separate root is there, so it is real number, absolute number, and one modulus is there, I mean one complex number is there, depends upon the modulus of a complex number. A complex number is given the value simple complex number. So absolutely we should verify the option. Modulus of 2 minus 3 becomes root of 4 plus 9 by 4. Root of 4 plus 9 by 4 means 4 for the 16, 16 plus 3, 5, 5 by 2 minus minus of minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus 2, 8. Option is not there, so first option is not right. Maybe verifying second option is better. Verify second option. Second option, z is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2i. 3 by 2 minus 2i. That implies, substitute here root of, this is 9 by 4 plus 4. This is also in same as first option. Okay, let us discuss minus z. So minus of 3 by 2 minus 2i. Let us verify the answer whether we get 1 plus 2i or not. This is 9 plus 4, 4 for the 16, 16 plus 9, 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, correct. Because 4 for the 16 plus 9, 25 by 4, 25 by 4, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus of minus plus 2i, okay, 2i we got, 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, correct, exactly, verified, first option. Now, 21 question. Level 1 homework 21 bit. Level 1 homework 21, minimum value of modulus of z minus 1 plus z minus 3. I think you can understand. Directly we can say that critical points are 1 comma 3. Critical points 1 comma 3, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3, f of 1 is equal to 2 and f of 3 is equal to also 2. So only minimum value 2 for this question. Next, 22nd question. The maximum value of 22nd question, modulus of z plus 3 lesser than or equal to 2. Modulus of z plus 3 less than or equal to 2. Max value of z minus 2. Maximum value of z minus 2. Whenever modulus of z plus 3 less than or equal to 2. First of all, how to convert we learn. So now modulus of z minus 2 is equal to, write like this, modulus of z plus 3 minus 1. Enough. Now depends upon this one, you will be able to understand this is less than or equal to by square equality, modulus of z plus 3 plus 1. So directly you can write, so this is 2 plus 1. Maybe, let us discuss about maybe whether he given in the form of z1 minus z2. Of course, not possible because it is simply real number. Maybe 3 is correct answer. He is asking about 20 minimum maximum value. 22nd. Third option is because he is asking maximum value. Z plus 3 less than or equal to 2. So 2, z minus 2 we need to take. Using modulus of z1 minus z2. This is greater than or equal to modulus of separate modulus of z1 minus separate modulus of z2. So modulus of z plus 3 minus 1 greater than or equal to, now we need to calculate about modulus of z minus 2. Modulus of z plus 3, of course, minus separate one. Z plus 3 value 2 minus, it is modulus of z plus 3 greater than 1. Modulus of z plus 3 less than or equal to, we need to calculate minus 2. Maybe a little mistake, minus 2 it is. For put like this, yeah. now. Okay, using this formula minus 5. Okay, using this one, he is asking maximum. So plus only we need to calculate. Use the formula squat inequality as modulus of z plus 3 plus 5 directly I am writing. So this is 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Correct. 22 completed. 23. 23A Gateway question in 2007. Modulus of z plus 4 less than or equal to 3, then max value of z plus 1. Max value of modulus of z plus 1. We need to convert the value modulus of z plus 1 in the terms of modulus of z plus 1. Write like this. So modulus of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z plus 4 minus 3. It is better. So this is less than or equal to, direct I am writing 3 plus 3, it is 6. The value 623, third option. Let's go. Next. 24th question. Modulus of separately he given. Now we should use the modulus of z1 minus z2 concept. Modulus of z1 minus 2 plus 2i is equal to 1. Oh, he is asking absolutely least value of modulus of z. So minus concept we should use. Write the formula modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to modulus of z1. Modulus separate modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. Now consider like this. Modulus of z, least value of modulus of z you need to calculate. So now consider like this. Modulus of z is equal to, using this one, z minus 2, simply add and subtract. Modulus of z minus 2 plus 2i. So 1 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to modulus of z minus 2. So 1 is equal to, considering modulus of z, it is a separate complex number, minus of 2 minus 2. Minus of 2 minus 2. Put like this, greater than or equal to, because modulus of z we need to get z minus, this is root 8. Because 2 minus 2a becomes 4 plus 4. So that one, what he is asking, minimum value. So least value is nothing but minimum value. So that implies 1 greater than or equal to modulus of z minus root 8. Minimum value meaning root 8 minus 1. Maximum value meaning root 8 plus 1. So better to take, add root 8. Let us write, students, minus root 8 less than like this. Minus root 8 less than or equal to. So this is 1 greater than or equal to z minus root 8. 1 greater than or equal to z minus root 8. It's okay. Modulus of z minus 1 greater. Let us write modulus of z minus root 8 less than 1. Modulus of z minus root 8 less than 1. Yeah. So modulus of z less than or equal to root 8 plus 1. Min value is depends upon example sum. Minimum value is minus of a plus root of a square plus 4 over root whole by 2 concept. Minus 1 plus root 8. Maximum value 1 plus root 8. That's all. So like this is plus or minus 1 concept you should understand. The option of 24th question, 4th option. Yeah, root 8 minus 1 is the minimum value. Now 25th question. 25th question, the maximum value of max value. Maximum value of 3z plus 9 minus 7i over modulus if modulus of z plus 2 minus I is equal to 5. Modulus of z plus 2 minus I is equal to 5. So depends upon this one, better to understand. If you multiply this value with 3 plus 3z plus 3 to the 6 minus 3i. In the concept we can convert this to 3z plus 3 to the 6 minus 3i. So 9 minus 7i can be converted as 6 plus 3 like this. Minus 7i can be converted as minus I minus 6i. Depends upon 3 plus z minus 7i. We need to calculate 3z. Modulus of 3z plus 9 minus 7i. Consider this one is equal to, right, like this. 3z plus 6. 3z plus 6 minus I, keep aside. Plus separately. Next 3. What is the value remaining? 3 minus 6i over modulus. This is lesser than or equal to. Take common 3 in these terms. It becomes 3 into this is z plus 2 minus 3 we should consider. So 3 taken common. So this is 3i minus this is 4i. So 3 taken common, z plus 2 minus I. Okay. Plus separately we can write modulus of 3 minus 4i. Modulus of 3 minus 4i. This is less than or equal to 3 into z plus less than or equal to 3 into the value is 5 plus this value is 5. 3 5s are 15 plus this is 5. So less than or equal to 15 plus 5 becomes 20. So students, you have completed level 1 homework, some examples, and level 1 classroom, some examples depends upon the critical points and minimum maximum values. Let us going to discuss the same concept level 2 in next class. And another concept is there, that is according to Euler's theorem. That is also, let us continue next class.